Imagine this. You're working in a global organization. Different countries, different laws, different cultures. But one thing must remain the same everywhere: compliance. Because one mistake, just one, can cost the company millions, damage its reputation, or even lead to legal action.
So, how do you stay compliant in a global environment?
Let's break it down into 4 key actions.
First, know the rules that apply to you. Every organization has policies, but in a global company, there are also local laws and international regulations. A data privacy rule in Europe may be very different from one in the United States. So you must understand the policies that apply to your role. You must be aware of regional regulations where you operate. And most importantly, never assume that one rule fits all. For example, an employee shares customer data across borders without proper authorization. It may seem harmless, but it can violate strict data protection laws. Knowing the rules protects both you and the organization.
Second, follow approved processes every time. Compliance is not just about knowing, it's about doing the right thing consistently. Organizations create processes to reduce risk and ensure accountability. This includes following approval workflows, using official systems, and documenting actions properly. Imagine you're approving a vendor payment. Skipping one verification step might save time, but it could expose the company to fraud.
If there is a process, follow it every time.
Third, identify and escalate risks early. Compliance is everyone's responsibility, not just legal teams, not just managers, everyone.
If something feels wrong, it probably is. You might notice unusual financial transactions, requests to bypass procedures, conflicts of interest, or suspicious emails. Do not ignore it. Do not try to fix it alone. Escalate immediately through the proper channels. Consider this. An employee notices irregular invoices but says nothing. Months later, it becomes a major fraud case. Early reporting could have prevented it. Finally, act with integrity, even when no one is watching. At the core of compliance is integrity. Policies guide you, processes support you, but your decisions define you. Sometimes you may feel pressure to meet targets, move faster, or bend the rules just this once. But compliance means doing the right thing, even when it's difficult. A strong compliance culture starts with individual choices.
Now, let's bring it all together. You receive a request to urgently approve a transaction that bypasses normal procedures. You pause. You check the policy.
You follow the process, and if something feels off, you escalate. Start today. Take a moment to review your organization's policies, understand your role in compliance, and most importantly, make the right decisions every time. Because compliance is not just a rule, it is a responsibility.